Here we've got a 2013 Audi A4. I'm going to put the cabin filter. So where the cabin filter is located in this car is underneath your glove box, behind this compartment here. There is, let me just show you, one clip here, one here, one at the back down there, and you just twist it off like so. It's like a screw on type, and that's what the clips look like here. There's one more at the back. And this whole plastic piece just pops out. Okay, once this plastic pops out, the cabin filter is located inside this plastic cover. So pull it out like that. Just simply pull it down. Just simply pull it up like so. And there's your cabin filter. Also remember, the way it goes back in is with that corner on this side. So let's get the new one out. So here's the new one, here's the old one. Back up this way. So move it aside. Let's place this down here. So it sits in there, and you just put this cover back on and clip it in. Back, slide it down, and then that's the cabin filter installed. Now all you've got to do is put this plastic foam piece back in. So, and with these 4 screw type things, locate the holes and screw it back up. And that's one in there. One down here. And the last one down here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helps. Thank you.